It's nice to see everybody. You know, I made a lot of friends last time I was here, and for me, I just love seeing all this equipment, all this crazy stuff. That I love machines, and I like anytime I get a chance, like go to like a factory, like a Hershey's or something like that. I just love seeing all the machines and just seeing like, you know, how they're customized for very specific things. And you know, I mean, think about how many different kinds of baking products are out there. There's a machine for that, and I love seeing it. Oh man, we're excited. We're excited. So we practiced a lot, and then we were gone for a week, and I wasn't able to play at all. So we got here. I got here last night. We practiced at 6:45 this morning, and we ran through the show. It sounded pretty good. I'm excited. We're ready.